Hello kids, this is a story. Its name is Oh Dear, and it's about a little boy who is looking for eggs. Buster went to stay with Grandma on the farm. Grandma asked Buster to fetch the eggs. So he went to the barn and asked the cow. No eggs here. Oh dear. So he went to the stall and asked the pig. No eggs here. Oh dear. So he went to the field and asked the sheep. No eggs here. Oh dear. And now he went to the stable and asked the horse. And the horse said, no eggs here. Oh dear. So he went to the kennel and asked the dog, no eggs here. Oh dear. So he went to the hutch and asked the rabbit. And the rabbit replied, no eggs here. Oh dear. Now he went to the pond and asked the duck. Quack, 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 quack. And the duck replied, no eggs here. Oh dear. Then Buster remembered. So he went to the hen house and asked the hen. And the hen said, 2 eggs for your breakfast. Lift me up. Hooray!